This video is about the new way of editing your profile in Microsoft 365. My name is Paul Keizers. I help businesses with SharePoint, Copilot and Microsoft Teams for a living. That's why you can be sure that after watching this video, you will know everything about this new update feature. Yes, let's dive into it. First of all, we had a Microsoft Delph, which retired 16th of December of 24. And with this retirement, a whole era did go away because a lot of people used it, a lot of people hated it, and a lot of people thought, okay, what is it? But basically Delph was a way to get some more information about your colleagues and to show what they are doing, which documents were around them. And in the beginning, it exposed a lot of data which was not securely shared with everybody or on the correct way. And this was causing them to turn off some features, so it was not visible anymore. But now with Copilot, you will get the same issue, only it's now most of the companies are either grown a bit or they will face exactly the same and need to adjust their architecture and their security. So, but that's all the past. Let's go to the new way of editing your update, your profile. So first, we are here at the office.com home and I'm going to search for my name. So here you see that I'm here, and what you see is that I will get, and let's try to do this. I see here my name and I see update profile. So if I click on update profile, I will have the possibility to add my name, but it's grayed out. And why is it grayed out? Because this is something that your IT admin does. So you cannot change your name. You can change your profile photo here, so it directly changes all over the place. So everywhere in Microsoft 365, sometimes it can take a while before it's there. Then we've got contact. Here you see your working mail. Again, this is something that the IT admin does. In my case, this is my number that also the IT admin did, but I can add my mobile number, for example. And I'm just going to fill in some number. The chat, also IT admin. Job title, in my case it's locked, so I cannot do it. Only IT admin. Company, maybe I can change it, I don't think so. So there are a lot of fields that I can see, but I cannot edit because it's not directly a personal thing, but it's more a company thing. Then we can go to about, and of course here we can say is for the demo, and let's see. We can add skills, and this skill setting, that was something a lot of people requested because this skill was something that people were searching for. So you can still add a skill, and for example surfing, and I want to do SharePoint. I'm gonna do comma separated. You can also you see it's opening, and I can, if I do it like this, surfing, cannot write anymore. SharePoint, Microsoft Teams. You can ask me anything about, well, let's put Lagos, Portugal. So, and my interest, hobbies, yeah, I already said surfing. We can add projects I'm working on. And all this stuff which is here, I can even share my birthday if I want. I'm not, this can also be a IT setting so that you cannot add it or delete it. Because everything that you see here is still coming from the SharePoint profile at this moment and Entra ID. So that's really important to know, because if you think, okay, where is this stored? It's still there. And it's really important to know that all your old data, what you once did in Delft, is still available. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. So let's go back. Then we've got data and privacy, and here we get some information about the profile and what's possible to do and what's not possible to do. I'm ready here. I'm going to save it. And error saving. Please try it later again. That's always like that. When you want to show something, but now it's saved, and so it's all added, and you see my new mobile number, the content I share, the messages, more contact, and the organization. As you can see, the organization view is also here. So let's go and just search for Debbie, who is a visionary, and you get the information as well, but you cannot see the edit button, and you can see some more contact information, but there's not a lot of content. This is the content she shared with me, so in this case, or with the organization, depending on the way how she shared it. Messages we shared, contact information, and organization view. So here we can see, we can go and see who she worked with. So this is really nice. I think this new way of editing the profile and seeing people is really cool. And I know for sure that people want to customize it. It's still possible. You can use, for example, PnP search to do that, which is a great tooling. But also if you are in, for example, let's go just to teams.microsoft.com. And when it's loaded, and I hover over, let's go. Chats, so my chats are here. When I hover over here, I will also get the same information, so it's across everywhere. You can see this everywhere, and that's a big difference compared to the Delft, where Delft was still one place you have to look for, but here you can even go to LinkedIn if you enabled it. So you get some more info. I get this profile card again, overview. So it's really nice. I really like it, and I think the team did a really good job on this. Well, if you want to know more about Teams or SharePoint, you can click here, and I will see you in the next movie.